I'm Chef Ruchi Bharani and welcome to the Breakfast Club. Start your day on a nutritious note with Kanchipuram Idli, a dish that not only delights your senses but also fuels your body with the required nutrients and vitamins for the morning. Made with wholesome ingredients like lentils and rice, this dish is rich in proteins and fiber, which makes it a perfect healthy choice for a morning meal. Let's embark on this culinary journey to South India. Let's see the ingredients to make the batter. Take 150 grams of white lentils or urad dal, soak it for 8 hours, drain the water and grind it into a smooth paste. Next, take 250 grams of idli rava, rinse 3 times, mix with the urad dal paste and ferment for 8 hours. After fermenting, this is how the batter looks and this is the perfect consistency for it. Heat a tablespoon of ghee. Ghee is hot now. Add in 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let the urad dal turn brown. Once the urad dal starts to turn brown, add in 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Saute the cashew nuts till they change color. Tear in a few curry leaves. Add in a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix and remove from fire. Quickly add in this tadka in the idli batter. Salt to taste and mix. And this beautiful yellow batter is ready. Just before steaming, add in fruit salt, give it a good mix, and this batter is ready to go into the molds. Line the molds with banana leaf, pour the batter, these idlis are ready to go into the steamer. The water has been boiling in the steamer. Place your mold, cover and let this cook for 12 minutes. South India is known for its unique meals like Kanchipuram saris, and once you are in South India, you cannot miss the food. 12 minutes are up. Let's open the steamer. And these beautiful Kanchipuram idlis are ready. Plate these fluffy and soft Kanchipuram idlis. Serve it with some chutney, some podi powder, and some ghee. There you have it, folks, the secret to crafting the perfect Kanchipuram idli. This is Chef Ruchi Bharani wishing you all a good morning and enjoy your breakfast.